What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Good morning to you. That's the moon up there behind me. It's about 6:15 in the morning here in my office. Check this out. About to catch the sunrise here behind me. These are the sand dunes in Death Valley National Park, and there's not even cell phone service here. I'm just recording a quick video because I wanted to share this with you guys because it's absolutely spectacular. I'm sure the video is not doing it justice, but it's already getting hot out here if you can't tell. I'm short on breath. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know that if you want your office to look like this, you have the power to make that happen. A lot of people think that if you want to make money online, you have to spend all day glued to the computer day and night. And believe me, that's what I was doing for a long time, spending 12 hours a day, unhealthy amounts of time on the computer because I didn't really know what I was doing. So as I figured out, I'm doing my best to share it with you guys so that you can get to a place like this a lot faster than I did. So if you're still working 60-hour weeks, 12-hour days, and sitting in an office, sitting in a truck, working on a job site, whatever it is, but you'd rather be out doing stuff like this, like watching the sunrise in Death Valley, then check out my YouTube channel. It's free. Subscribe. And if you want to learn more faster, check out my website, howtorank.com, and get started with digital marketing and SEO. And other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome Friday and make it the best you can. I'm going to go get some water. Take it easy, everybody.